In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate and navigate the formatting toolbar. This feature is essential for anyone who wants to enhance their document's appearance and ensure their content is presented professionally. So let's dive right in and explore this useful element of your word processing software. First things first, let's talk about where you can find the formatting toolbar. By default, you'll usually find it just below the standard toolbar. However, if for some reason it's not visible, don't worry. It's likely just hidden, and there's an easy fix for that. Simply go to the top of your screen and click on View. From there, hover over Toolbars and then make your way to Formatting. Just make sure it's checked, and voila! It should appear right where it belongs. Now that you've located the formatting toolbar, let's talk about the main tools you're going to find there. Familiarizing yourself with these can greatly enhance your efficiency and creativity. From left to right, the first thing you'll notice is the font name option. This allows you to choose the font style for your text. Whether you favor the classic Arial or prefer something more traditional like Times New Roman, this is where you make that choice. Next to it, you'll find Font Size, a handy tool for adjusting how large or small you want your text to appear. Common sizes like 12, 14, or even 18 can be selected based on your needs. Moving along, you'll see the classic bold button represented by a bold B. Use this to make your text thicker and stand out on the page. Beside that, you'll find italics, marked with an I, perfect for adding emphasis with slanted text. And of course, the underline option, denoted by a U, which allows you to underline your text for added emphasis. Continuing, you'll discover the font color button, depicted with an A that has a line underneath. This is your go-to for changing the color of your text. Right next to it is the highlight color feature, symbolized by a marker icon, allowing you to add a splash of background color behind your text. For aligning your text, use the Align Left, Center, and Align Right buttons to position your text just where you want it. If you're looking for a more polished look, try Justify to spread your text evenly between the margins. Organizing your information is a breeze with the bullets and numbering options for lists. Increasing or decreasing indentation is simple with the corresponding tools, letting you move text left or right effortlessly. Lastly, don't overlook the line spacing option. You can choose between single, 1.5, or double spacing to fit your document's requirements. And if you're in a hurry, the Styles and Formatting button is your friend, helping you apply headings, titles, and body text styles quickly. With this overview, you now have the essentials you need to efficiently use the formatting toolbar. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take some time to experiment with these tools and see how they can elevate your work to a new level.